our friends. We're gonna be drawing Freddie from Scooby-Doo. Okay, so get those pencils ready. Here we go. So I'm gonna just use one piece of paper here. There we go. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna have the head up here and the body. We're gonna do a full body of Freddie. So to start with, we're gonna start with his groovy hair. So we're gonna go and make a little letter U, and then we're gonna go zigzag, zigzag, and then we're gonna go down and make like a letter J, and then we're gonna come back up and come around like that, so it's like, okay, like kind of an upside down V. All right, then we're gonna come over here and come down like so for the side of his head. And then we're gonna come on the inside, do a V or a zigzag, come down and come back up. Then we're gonna put a letter C here for his ear and his neck. And then we're gonna finish his hair right here for the rest of his neck. Now we're gonna do his face. So for his face, we're gonna start here and come out, come in, and come around, and back up to the ear. Wonderful. Then we're gonna put a little line here for his neck, and now for the face. Okay, so for the face, he's got kind of some big eyebrows, little arcs. And then for the one eye, here we go. I'm gonna leave a little light in it, and then it has just another little repeating line on the outside of it. Really easy. Then we're gonna come over here and do the nose, which kind of looks like, a V. Then his other eye is kind of partly behind the nose, so that's why we did the nose first. And then we're gonna do the other part of the outside. And there is his eye, and then he's got a little nostril there. And then for the mouth, we're gonna start in the middle, go down like that, start in the middle, go down like that. So it's kind of like a really shallow W, and then put some little lines on the side of it, little chin line, and there is Mr. Freddie's head. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the collar. So the collar is gonna be a diagonal line like so, and then it's gonna go down in the back. It's gonna come diagonal in the front, and then it's gonna meet up with the back. All right, and then we have a little hanky that he's got on right there as part of it, and then there's a little triangle in the middle part of it, and another little oval on the other side, and then we have a diamond, and then we have another diamond that overlaps. Oh yeah, this is looking like Freddie, the handsome Freddie. Okay, then his shirt collar for this side is gonna come up, down, and back around. So it kind of looks like a backwards 4. Then the collar's gonna come back like so. And you know what? I think I'm gonna let the neck come down here. And we'll there we go. That looks better. Okay, so now we're gonna do the shoulders. So the shoulders come down, and we're just gonna let that come down like so. And then on this side, we're gonna come down and then come in like this. And then for the other arm, we're gonna just come in from the back and then come up. It's gonna go past that line because he's got his arms crossed, and we'll just do a little curvy line there and just a little like side letter C there. Then we're gonna have this arm come back. And then here, we're gonna do an oval, a bigger oval, a bigger oval, and a smaller oval. And then we're gonna draw just a line like that. So his arms are crossed. Oh my gosh, you did it, that was so good. Okay, then we're gonna have another little line right here for the inside of that arm. And now we're gonna do a curvy line that's gonna go across. And then we're gonna do his way cool pants. So they're gonna come down at an angle and then come out, and then come down at an angle and then come out. And then this side's gonna come down at an angle and come out. We don't have room for his shoes, and that's okay. And then we're gonna just draw some horizon line back there. And there, my friends, is Freddie from Scooby-Doo. Thanks for joining me.